Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Welcome to you all in today's fifth online lecture of chapter number 3. And the name of our chapter number 3 is A Trip to Bhopal. Now today we are going to study what is digit, numbers and numerals. After that, how can we make the numbers using digit and what is the special number and the place. And then the magic of zero. These all things today we are going to study. Now let us see what is digit, numerals and numbers. Do you know what is digit? A digit is a single symbol that is used to make the numerals. If we see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these all are the single symbol. With using this symbol, with using these digits, we can make numbers or numerals. So all the single symbol, all the single digit, all the single number, it is considered as the digit. Now what is numerals? A numeral is a symbol or a name that stand for a number. See here, if we are write down 1 and 0, if 1 and 0 are different, then it is considered as digit. But if we write down this 1 and 0 together, then it is known as numerals. So here 1010, that is the numeral, that is stand for a special number, that is stand for a number. So we can say the numbers and numerals comes from digits. So we can say the digits make up numerals and numerals, that is stand for an idea of a number. See here, if we see here 1, 5 and 3, these three different digits, but if we write down these digits together, then it forms numerals, and these numerals stand for an idea that represent the number. Now see here, if we write down DOG, then it is considered as the letter. But if we write down DOG dog together, then it represent word, and this word for one idea. So just like the letters make up the words and words stand for an idea or a thing. How to make the numbers using digits? To form the smallest number, you have to write all the digits in ascending order. If we want to form the greatest number, then we have to write down all the digits in the descending order. But be careful, when in the digit there is a 0 and you have to form the smallest number. So please do not start the numbers with 0. Why? Because 0 itself does not have any value. So you all understand how to make the smallest number. If you want to make the smallest number using the digit, you have to write down the numbers in ascending order. And if you want to make the greatest number, then you have to write down the numbers in descending order. Now let us study how to make the smallest number and greatest number. Here in a one column, I am giving digits to you. After that, you have to make the smallest number and the greatest number. So your digit is 9, 2 and 0. these three digits. Using these three digits, you have to write down the smallest number and you have to write down the greatest number. But one thing please remember, if the single digit write alone, then it is considered as digit. Now you have to make numbers. So in a numbers, you are not supposed to put individual comma. You have to write down the numbers. So do not put the numbers. In a smallest number, we have to write down first smallest digit, which is the smallest, 0. But 0 does not have any value, so we have to start from 2. And after that, we have to write down 0. So the smallest number is 209, 209. And the greatest number start with descending order, that is the 920. Now see here, I am giving the 4 digits to you, 4296. Using this digit, you have to make the smallest number. So write down all these digits in ascending order. So it becomes 2496. And the greatest number, 9642. Another one, here I am giving 5 digits to you, so don't be panic, you just write down all the digits in ascending order, but please do not put commas. So in smallest number, write down the numbers in ascending order. So your ascending order is 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. It becomes 12,578. Now what about the greatest number? Write down in descending order 87521. So it is 87,521. Now again here it is 715. Here I am giving 3 digits to you. So you have to make the smallest number and greatest number of 3 digits only. So the smallest number is 157 and the greatest number is 751. Now 4 digits. So you have to make the smallest 4 digit and greatest 4 digit. But do not start your number with 0. So after 0, which one is the biggest? 2. So you have to write down first 2 and then you have to write down 0. So your answer is 2056. And what about the greatest number? Greatest number start with 6. So 6520. Now here 5 digits to you. So do not start your number with 0. You have to start your number with 1. So after 1 you have to write down 0. So your answer is 10,458. And what about the greatest number? It is 85,410. Now 42109. With the help of this, you have to make the smallest number. So the smallest number is 10,249 and the greatest number is 94,210. Now these all are of the smallest number and the greatest number. But what about the others number? How to make the different numbers using the digits? Let us see. Make the different numbers which cannot be repeated using this digit. With the help of this 3 digit, you have to make the different numbers. Numbers like 429. Then you have to write down 294. These all are the different digits, different numbers you have to make by this digit. So first of all, write down the numbers in ascending order. So it is a 249. Then just change the place of ones digit and tens. So it becomes 294. Now write down the greatest number 942. Now in the second number you have to just change the place of ones and tens. So it becomes 924. Now another one is 429. So just change the place of ones and tens. So it becomes 492. So you can see here, with the helping of this 3 digit, we can make different 6 numbers. And you can see also in this, not a single number is repeated. So these are the different ways how to make numbers using digit. Let us see one another example. 420. Using this 3 digit, you have to make the numbers. So first write down the smallest number 204 and just change the place of ones and tens. So it becomes 240. Now write down the biggest number 420. Now just change the place of digit ones and tens. So it becomes 402. Now we cannot start our number with 0. If we start our number with 0, then it is considered as 2-digit number. But here we have to write down the 3-digit number only because they were given 3 digits to you. Therefore, now the same thing, but in this, what about if they were given 4 digits to you? Then how can you form the different numbers using that digit? Let us see. Rules for making a number. First, make the small number. Followed by that, just change the position of numbers. So rule number 1, what you have to do? First, you have to write down the small number. And after that, you have to follow these rules. You have to change just position of the numbers. It means what? The number which written on thousand place, it goes to ones place. Then the number which written on a hundreds place, it comes on thousand place. Then the number which written on the tens place, it comes to hundreds place. The number which written on ones place, it comes to tens place. Okay, so your first rule is that, followed by that, just change the position of the number. And how you can change the position of number? If the number which written on thousand place, then it goes to ones place, and then the number which written on hundreds place, it comes to thousand, then tens place comes to hundreds, and ones place comes to tens place. Rule number 2 is that after changing the position of all the numbers, just change the position of tens place and ones place only. Let us see with one example. Here, make the different numbers which cannot be repeated using the digit, and your digit is 4215. See in this table, first you have to write down the smallest number. Your smallest number is 1245. Now according to the rule number 1, you have to just change the place of digits. It means the number which written on thousand place, it goes on ones, then hundreds comes on thousand, tens comes to hundreds, and ones comes to tens. So it becomes 2451. Now see here again, the same rule you have to apply. Here you, in the third number, you have to start from 4. So 4 written in the hundreds place, so it comes to thousand place, and 2 written on thousand place, so it goes to ones place. Then after again rule number 1, so it becomes 5124. Now you have to apply rule number 2, which is that rule number 2 is that you have to just change the place of tens and ones only. So 1245 becomes 1254, then 2451 becomes 2415, then 4512 becomes 4521, then 5124 becomes 5142. Now again you have to apply rule number 1. What is that? Now you have to just change the place. Here first the number which written on the tens place, it comes to hundreds, and 100 goes to ones. So it becomes a 1452. Then here we have to write down 2 as it is, and then just change the place of ones, tens and hundreds only. So it becomes 2514. Then 4125. In this again we just change the place of ones, tens and hundreds only. First digit we can't change because that already we change in our first. Then 5124 becomes 5241. Now you have to apply rule number 2, and the rule number 2 is that you have to just change the place of ones and tens only. So 1425, then 2541, then 4152, then 5214. Now again rule number 1, you have to change the place of only and only 100, tens and thousand. Sorry, 100, tens and ones. So 1524, then 2514, 4251, then 5412. So you can see here. In next, you have to just write down, you have to just change the place of ones and tens. So 1542, then 2541, 4215, and then 5421. Special number is that number which will not change its value after doing the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let us see how with one example. When a number is multiplied by 1, the result, the answer, the number itself. So for the multiplication, 1 is the special number because if you do the multiply of any digit by 1, then the answer is number itself. For example, 15 ones are 15. So here you just do the multiplication of 15 and 1. The answer 15 itself. So we can say for the multiplication 1 is the special number. Then after 24 ones are 24. So here you can see also any number multiply by 1, then the answer number itself. When a number is added in 0, or we can say 0 is added in any number, then the result, then the answer, number itself. So for addition, 0 is the special number. See here with one example. 15 plus 0 is equal to 15. 24 plus 0 is equal to 24. So we can say for the addition 1 is 0 is the special number, and for the multiplication 1 is the special number. Now the magic of 0. If any number multiplied by 0 or 0 is multiplied by any number, then the result is 0. And if 0 is divided by any number, then the result is also 0. For example, in the multiplication, 15 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. And if we divide any number by 0, means here 0 divided by 24, then the answer is 0 only. This is the magic of 0. Now, let us see the magic of same number. If the same number subtracted from each other, then the result is also 0. If the same number divided by each other, then the result is 1. For example, here for the subtraction, if we subtract 15 from 15, it means 15 minus 15 is equal to 0, and the same number 24 minus 24 is equal to also 0. So in a subtraction, if we subtract the same number from each other, then we can say the result is 0. Now in the division, if we divide the same number by each other, means 24 divided by 24, then the answer is 1. 15 divided by 15, answer is 1. Now let us see the magic of place. In addition and in multiplication, if we interchange the place of digit, then the answer will not change. For example, for the addition, if we do the addition of 42 plus 2, 42 plus 2 is equal to 46. And if we are just doing the addition of 2 plus 42, then answer is again 46. Now the same thing for the multiplication. If we interchange the place of digit, 7 6 are also 42, and we can say also 6 sevens are also 42. Thank you all of you. I hope you all understand these all topics very nicely and clearly. Please remember these all things.